By the end of this video, you'll be able to add music to the games that you're creating in Roblox Studio. Let's get started. So you might have a game that you're working on in Roblox Studio, and you would like to add music that plays in the background while a player plays the game. In order to do this, you're going to go over to your Explorer tab. Make sure that you have that available for you. You can go up to View and just make sure your Explorer is open. So I turned on my Explorer tab, and I'm going to scroll down to where I see Sound Service. So I'm going to click on Sound Service, and there's a little add icon here. I'm going to click on the add icon, and I'm going to add a sound. So I just added a sound to the sound service, but now I need to insert a sound into that. So I'm going to click on sound, and there's a place where we can insert an ID. Now, to find the ID, you're going to want to go back to Roblox.com. So sign into your account on Roblox. And once you're signed in, go up to the top left-hand side and click on Create. When you click on Create, it's going to bring you here, and you can click on Marketplace. Once you've clicked on Marketplace, then you're going to see you can have different things available. I'm going to click on Audio. Once I click on Audio, I can either browse or I can search audio. Go ahead and do just browse real quick. So I'm going to click on Electronic. And then once I click on that, it's going to take me to electronic sounds that I could add to my game. And there's going to be a list of different songs and their creators once this loads. So there are multiple sounds that I can see here. I can preview the sound here on the left. And the one that I like here is actually this one here, the variant sound. So you just preview it. You can hear a little bit of that sound. And now that I like that one, I'm going to go ahead and click on More Info. And on this page, you'll notice on the top in the address bar, there is a number. And whenever I get to that number, I'm going to copy it. So Control Copy. And I'm going to take that number and I'm going to insert it into my Roblox Studio. And again, I've got sound on the right-hand side of my Explorer tab. And then inside sound, there is a place for sound ID. And then once I'm there, I'm going to click on the right-hand side of sound ID and then paste the number that I got from the sound from Roblox. I'm going to press enter. And so that's going to put that sound into the game. And I can preview it here to make sure it's the right sound. But the two settings you want to make sure are selected. So if you scroll down in the sound properties, I'm going to go ahead and click on looped. And what that'll do will be once the sound ends, like after it's done playing the file, it will immediately play the file again. And I want to make sure that I have this selected here, playing. So I have playing selected. So now when I play the game, it's going to work. So let me go ahead and test run this game and let's see if the sound is working. Perfect. So you can hear that the sound is working while I'm playing my game. And again, you want to find your sounds in your Explorer, Sound Service, make sure you add a sound, and then you copy and paste the sound ID into that sound, and then you can change any of the other settings here too. You have other settings. You have a volume setting. That's actually a really good setting to know. So if you want the volume to be a little less or a little more, you can change that here. And then you can also change the playback speed, so that way it can go either faster or slower. So you now know how to add music to the games that you're creating in Roblox Studio. If you made it this far into the video, you might also be interested in how to add sound to a part. I made a video that covers this in detail. I'll put a link to it here.